Hey guys, so let's get started. I'll show you a demonstration of this wonderful tool to help you create landing pages like never before. It's called apps.notion.lol. As you can see here, it's pretty straightforward. You log into the page, into the website, and you're right at this page. Clicking on sites takes me to the sites that I've created. And here I'm going to show you how easy and how fast it is to make changes and to create your own sites with practically zero coding knowledge. And these are like professional, well-designed, production-ready sites. For this tutorial, I will explain, using one of these tools, one of these projects that we have here called the mobile app. And the mobile app is the website that we are going to edit, which was completely, by the way, created using Notion.lol to make a to create a landing page for an application. The information related to the mobile app is in this Notion page, which I've got open right here. As you can see, the title is called mobile app, and the software is designed to be really user friendly, and I'm going to call this hiring made easy. And let's assume that I'm going to create a hiring software here, and get started is this tool. Instead of that, let's call it let's go. Just make it straightforward. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. And then, I want to change this your business automated to something more related to my app, which is very simple. I go to the home page, and as you can see here, each of these pages is a different various parts of this page is a section in itself. And so first you got the home, you got the features page, you got the about page, and you got a bunch of stuff that you will see as we go through it. So let's focus on the home page. Changing the home page is very simple. Your business automated, I don't like that. Let's call it your hiring genie. And that's it. You've done that. You go back to your site, you click the refresh button, and that's triggered. Wait for exactly 20 seconds. Let me pull up my timer here. I don't have a timer. Okay, let's pull up the daytime. Okay, we are here. Let's wait till it gets to the minute, and we should be ready to rock. You should see this changes right in your website in practically no time. All right, let's give it 5 seconds more. It takes basically 20 seconds to refresh itself, and you've got a fully performant website at your disposal. Okay, let's watch the magic happen. You got hiring made easy. There you go, and hiring genie right here. And you can see, okay, I don't like hiring genie. Okay, I like your hiring wizard. That's as simple as just doing this. Just go there, you click it, refresh it, and wait for 20 seconds. It should be done. So let's focus on why. First, this tool is made on Notion.lol, which is by far one of the best collaboration softwares in the market today. It's a $10 billion company, reliability like no one else. Second, making content, even a single line is an iterative process. You want to nail down the process and see quick results. And that's what you're able to do here. Simply by using the application, you're very comfortably able to make changes so fast that it almost seems like magic. I hope you guys love the software, and let us know your comments and feedback. Thank you.